Mother hugging her daughter. Mother hugging her daughter. Mother and baby. Mother and baby.
My happy, loving family.
A loving father. A loving father.
Father loves his son. Father loves his son.
Tender affection.
Mother and daughter are in the kitchen. Mother and daughter are in the kitchen.
Mother loves her daughter.
Cute.
This lamb is so cute. This lamb is so cute.
Your daughter is so incredibly cute. So incredibly cute.
Father and son are meditating together. Father and son are meditating together.
Time spent together is the most precious gift. The most precious gift.
Grandfather loves his grandson. He loves his grandson.
Grandfather is going to cook rice with his grandson. Grandpa is going to cook rice with his grandson.
You look so cute today. You look so cute today.
This quokka looks so incredibly cute. So incredibly cute.
Your daughter is so cute. Your daughter is so cute.
What a lovely baby. What a lovely baby.
Your little dog is so cute. Your little dog is so cute.
Such a lovely little dog. Such a lovely little dog.
This is so heartwarming. This is so heartwarming. Mother and son in the kitchen. Mother and son in the kitchen.
Saying compliments. Saying compliments. He is adorable. He is adorable. This baby is so precious.
This baby is so precious.
Sleep well, darling. Sweet dreams. Sleep well, darling. Sweet dreams.
She looks adorable. She looks adorable.
What a cutie pie. So precious. What a cutie pie. So precious.
You have a lovely place. You have a lovely place.
Your place looks amazing. Your place looks amazing.
This tastes delicious. This tastes delicious.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me.
I am looking forward to seeing you. I am looking forward to seeing you.
Say something nice about it.
Thank you for watching. Looking forward to seeing you.
"50 Shades of Beauty."